Hi, Dale. Look at mommy. How are you this morning? Let me see you take a bite of cereal. Very good. Chew it up. No, no, chew it. I don't want to see it. Let me see you dance to Barney. That sounds like a video. I'm taking your pictures. Stand back. Wait, I want you to stand over there. Stand back a little bit. Okay, stand. Okay, now sing Jingle Bells for me.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. All my sons.
Can you stand back?
No.
No, stop now. You have to stand back over there and sing it.
All the way. Barney is a dime.
Now, what's the song Barney sings?
Barney is a cousin.
No, what does he sing? No, get back. You can't get close to the camera. I can't see you now.
I'll just watch TV.
You can't get back. It's ugly.
Watch TV.
What's the other song? The Dreidel song.
Bells, jingle all the way. All my stars and one over the sleigh. Now, am I doing? Let me watch.
No, get back. Dance. Look at mommy. Now let me see you dance.